has been too long since we built a new computer. Fortunately for us, our friends over at Bourboneering, great content, reached out and asked if we could help them build a new editing rig. And well, we had a 7700X and a B650 board laying around from a previous review, and I said, let's do it. We're gonna pair this with a GeForce 4070 Ti that we got from MSI, an MSI Power Supply, a 360mm cooler from Deepcool, as well as 32 gigs of DDR5 6000 from G.Skill, a crucial P5 Plus 2 terabyte NVMe drive, and we're gonna throw it all in a Lancool II, I believe. Yeah, Lancool II case. I think that's really all the introduction we need. Let's get this thing built.
I noticed the lights were on and I thought you might be home. I wasn't sure.
And that's it, guys. We are all wrapped up. Unfortunately, Austin has to get out of here and shoot a video for his channel, so we're not gonna be able to benchmark this thing today, but I promise before we upload the video, we'll have that done. So make sure you go down in the description and check out. I'll have all the benchmarks posted, as well as a full parts list for everything we used. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to check out one of these. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out some of our other content, and as always, thanks for watching.